In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy with your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-4820 or 4830. There's two ways on how you can copy a document on this printer. The first way is using the typical scanner over here that almost any printer these days have one of these. This is great if you only have one page that you want to do a copy of. You just need to put it facing down, okay? With the top part of the page on the left side and the corner of this page touching the corner with an arrow like that. Then close the lid. Make sure you have some paper inserted in your printer. And then on the touchscreen panel here, press the home button so you have this screen appearing, and then simply press on copy. It's the first option. Then you're going to have a bunch of options over here. First of all, do you want it to be in black and white or color? You also have the paper settings. Make sure you have the right paper size input there. Original type, if you tap here, and here you're going to have multiple options. You're going to have text, text and image, photo, and the last option is text and image best. So if you want to have the best quality for your text and image document, select that one. In my case, I will just leave it there. Otherwise, you have density here. Do you prefer having a high contrast copy or maybe lower the contrast? It's up to you. Reduce, enlarge if you want, let's say, a zoomed in copy. And you even have more options if you tap on advanced here. I won't go through all of them because most people will not need these ever. Once you're done, make sure you have the number of copies selected over here. Let's say you want 20 of them, just type 20. You can make a maximum of 999. I'll just put one. And you also have a preview button, because if you enlarge, you want to make sure that whatever will get printed is actually accurate. Once you're done, press the copy button and wait. Usually it's blazing fast, as you see. It took less than 3 seconds, and I have a copy of the document that was input over there. Now let me show you how to use the automatic document feeder if you want to make a copy of a document that has multiple pages. So let's say I have this document that has 3 pages and I want to make a copy of all of them without having to put them one by one here. Very easy to be done. So first of all, align these pages, make sure they all have their top section over there. Perfect. We're going to place them facing up over here with the top part of the document on the left side. So you see over here, this is the text, the top part means it's here, and I'll glide it in like that. Same thing on this control panel. I won't go through everything, but simply press the copy button. The printer will automatically detect that you have input something here, and you're going to see here ADF. It means automatic document feeder. So once you're done, we're good to go. Simply press the copy button and take a look what will happen. The printer will take each of these pages one by one without you having to do anything. You just have to wait. Perfect, we're already done. These are all the 3 pages. I have selected black and white, that's why it's black and white while the original was in color. But this is how it's done. Very useful, especially if you're a teacher and you have documents with multiple pages. You'll be able to copy them very easily without much effort, as you just saw. Thanks for watching. If you want to get some supplies for your printer, check my Amazon affiliate links down below for paper, ink, stuff like that, maybe even a new printer. It's supporting my channel. If not, just leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.